Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into UPLENS app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The UPLENS app is a powerful mobile photos and video editor with a sleek interface and a rich set of editing tools with AI-powered retouching, vintage filters and grain together with color effect and video editing, with easy presets that help you give photos a distinctive look with minimal effort. It's especially appealing for creators, social media users, or anyone who wants to make their visuals stand out quickly. On the other hand, the key features get locked behind a subscription plan, and the app has drawn criticism for their lower reliability. Many users also report issues like freezing, bugs, poor results from certain AI filters, especially for novel effect, and concern about how trustworthy the app is when it comes to data safety or business practice. So in my opinion, I think the UPLENS is worth using if you value creative with photos or video edit, and you are comfortable paying for premium features. It's a legit source for styles content, but if you need a fully free rock solid editors for everyday use, you might want to explore alternative first. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.